Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the system detected an overrun of a stock-based buffer in this application in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is you need to update your computer to the latest version of the updates. Okay? Just have to click on check for updates and update your computer to the latest version and then finish the process and download and install it and then restart your computer and I'm sure your problem will be fixed. Okay? So that's the very best step that I could recommend you. Okay? So just have to update. It will take some time, but it will definitely be worth it because surely it will fix your problem. Okay? So that's the very first step. The second step is here at the button search bar, you need to search for services. When you type that, the best match should appear. Click on open to continue. Here at the services, you need to select any of the system and service and type P. And this time, you need to look for performance log alerts. So I can see here. Okay. So just do a right click, go with properties, and change the startup type into automatic. Once done, click on apply and then OK. And then do a right click once again to the service and click on start. Once you have started, close this window and then restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's the second step. The third step is at the bottom search bar again, this time we need to type for CMD to search for command prompt. And the moment the best match would appear, go with run as administrator. So your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this blank window. Here, you need to paste a command which I'll be pasting at the description box below. So these are two commands, okay? First is we need to scan the health of our computer. Just click on OK or enter to proceed and this will take some time and wait until the scanning health will be done. Okay? So just leave the command prompt window open and turn off your computer. And let's say you're done, then proceed by pasting this restore health. Okay? Just paste it here once done. Okay? And go with paste. Okay? So once you have pasted it and you have finished all the process, just have to close this window and then you need to restart your computer. So the moment you've restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So the last step that I could recommend you is here at the bottom search bar, this time we need to type for reged edit. The moment you've typed it, the best match which is registry editor would appear. Go with open to proceed. Okay, so your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to open this window. Here you need to paste a registry path, which I'll be including at the description box below. So don't worry. Just copy and paste it here at the address bar. Click enter. Okay. And here under the Explorer, you need to look for Banner Store. Okay, so I can see here. And try to rename this by adding an extension. Okay. Or do a right click since we cannot double tap it and go with rename. And here we need to put an extension which is dash old. Banner store dash old. Click enter to proceed. Once done, close everything. And then close this registry editor window as well and then restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. Hopefully those video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.